Okay, so got the Mustang home. Aiden broke down in Orlando area, so I need the trailer, the dolly. So got to get this thing off, and I don't think this front wheel turns at all. So I had to jack her up. Isn't that right, Pesci? Huh? I had to jack her up, get up under here to get this damn thing off of the trailer, off of the dolly. So hopefully that'll do the trick. But I just wanted to show you guys one more step of the process here. So that tire's stuck over there. I don't know if this is gonna fall off of the jack when I pull forward or what, which would really suck. Okay guys, so alright guys, so I didn't get a chance to film it when we were loading the Mustang up in Georgia, but we used a tractor to load it up. We didn't push it, and now I'm guessing why we did that, because this front wheel is seized and will not move. I mean, it's locked up. That's as locked up as you can get right there. So that's why it wouldn't come off the trailer. But gave us a good chance to look underneath this thing. And this thing is just as solid as the day is long under here. Look at that. Look at that frame. Freaking sweet. Look at the driver's side floor. It has this little cut in it right here. And I think that little cut let all the water out over the years, which helped it to not rust. But I mean, look at the metal up in here. Freaking awesome. Look at the metal over there. Oh, so I aired it up, strapped it up, but I gotta get it out of the yard before it starts killing the grass. See, there's only 2 lug nuts on there. Hit it with some PB blaster and lube it up. This side rolls, but I'm still gonna have to get this wheel off, so might as well start lubing it now. Alright, there we go. Put all my crap back in the back here and can haul the car over. I can't tell if the wheel was rolling or not. Sounded like I had the car in gear. I thought I heard some clicking, but I checked and I got it in neutral, so I don't know what that clicking sound was. I have to watch the video. Thought I was pulling the front end off the car for a sec, but alright, let's see if I can get it in a little closer and then we'll back up out of here. Anymore because I got my drain field right here for my yard, for my septic, so I don't want to be driving up on that hill. So that'll do it. I'll jack it up right here. That spot. I thought I might.
West Rock. Anybody remember that station? Is it still around? I don't know. I'm not from Atlanta.
Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and jack it up and get that wheel off. So shut the truck off. Well, should I move the truck? Yeah, maybe I should to keep the weight off of there. That grass out in the middle of my yard, and that's what it looked like it was starting to do. That was the front tire. Yeah, see, dead spot right there starting. That wasn't even under the car though. What the hell's that about? Alright, let's grab the jack out and get this thing changed. Or get the wheel off, I mean.